Hello, this is Mrs. Ross, and this is Lesson 17. We're going to be measuring angles with a protractor. We have a class set of protractors in one of the drawers of the either Rainbow Tower or the Gray Tower outside. So if we need to grab one of those, we can. I don't think you're going to need one for this practice set, but you might need one for your Lesson 17 written practice. And you can follow along on this practice set if you turn to page 117 in your Course 2 Saxon textbook. I think I got it all said. All right, let's get started. All right, so what's really cool is they've given us a protractor here. And what you'll see is you see where it starts at 0 here and goes that direction. And then over here on the inside it starts at 0. So the confusion is which one of these numbers do we use? And I hope that in the course of looking at these angles that you'll be able to see, oh, this is when I use this number. So let's get started. So AOD, so this is AO. That's a great straight line, Mrs. Ross. D. So what I do is where's my, I can't find, oh, there it is. Since I'm starting here, wherever you align the very bottom of your angle, that's going to be 0. And it gets larger as we go up. It makes sense, right? All the way to 90, and that's the measure of angle AOD. Okay, let me change colors here. AOC. So again, we're starting at AO. We're going to start at 0, and C goes this way. Okay, so we start at 0, not at 180, because we're starting at nothing, right? And we increase until we hit 50 degrees. That's when we're going to use that inside number, okay? Okay, let's change colors and let me do a little bit of erasing. Okay, AOE. AOE. This is where it's going to get a little bit interesting because AOE is greater than 90 degrees. So we start at 0 again because that's where the baseline of our angle is at. And we're going to increase, so we're using this inside, right, until we get to, it looks like it's between 110 and 120. But we're increasing going this way, right? So halfway between 110 and 120 would be 115. So that's our answer there. Then let's change colors. I wonder if the yellow will show. I can't see it. Good gravy. Let's try that again. Okay, that's better. FOE. So now we're going to start at the other side. And when we start at the other side, we start at 0 here. We don't start at 180, right? So FOE. So we're starting at the 0 here and we're increasing this way on the outside. So it increases to between 60 and 70, which I think is going to be 65 degrees. Okay, so you can kind of see it really depends on if you start here and increase or if you start here and increase. You're always starting at 0. Okay? You don't start an angle at 180. No. FOC. Let me change colors. FOC. Again, I'm going to start at 0 and increase on the outside. So it goes all the way up to 90, and then it comes over to 130. And I'm rating off of the outside because that's where I started at 0, right? So this is 130 degrees. And the very last one, AOB. AOB. So again, we're on this side, so we're going to start with our 0 and use the inside scale. And that goes to, if I could draw a straight line, 20, is that 20 or 25? 21, 2, okay, I got to erase it. I can't see it. Hold on a minute. Got all happy with my marker here. So let's see. So we know that this is the one. It goes here. So this is 20 because we don't start at 180. We start at 0. 20 is here. 21, 22, 23. Kind of hard to see those little marks, but that's where we're at. And that's the end of the practice set for Lesson 17. Please let me know if you have any questions.